Oh, hello, hello.
Tornado? Dude, that's a big freaking log cloud. Yeah, it is. It looks like there's dust kicked up too.
Maybe try to plant or the left. Yep.
Thank you so much.
Should I get there now?
No.
But it's his first.
I wish you were closer.
I know.
But
I don't want the hail and everything driving around. We can probably go.
is that it? Like the big? Is that it?
That's a huge tomato, man.
When I get east, he has better visibility. We might be wrapping the RFD here.
Good. Holy hell.
Oh my god. Oh my god.
Getting really rain wrapped.